Hello and welcome to my phonetics channel. Today I am going to talk about the short vowels. I have talked about the long vowels and this time I'm going to talk about the short vowels. Let me drink some Pepsi for a short break. The short vowels are E, A, O, and O. These are the short vowels. These are the short vowels. Again, the short vowels are E. This is a little voiced E. It's like a thin one. E. The other one is thick, like a fat person coming in front of you. A. Someone is saying A. The other one is E. Got it? The first one is E and the second one is A. The other one is O. It's also thin, and the other one is thick. O. The last one is A, thick, and the other one is A, thin. Let's begin with E and A. E stands for the symbol, as you see in the paper. This is E. The other one is A, stands for the symbol. This is A. Well, let's begin by giving some examples. Are you ready? Let's start. The first is a sound E as in set. E as in set. E as in fill. E as in city. Hello, let's explain by more details. The sound E as in set. Pay attention, the difference between these two pair of minimal bases are called minimal pairs. The first one is set, the second one is set. This is set, sit, and this is set. Well, for the word set, the word consists of 3 letters. The word consists of 3 letters. The first letter is S, as you see here. The first letter is S. The second letter is I. And the final letter is T. Well, we want to transcribe the word. How are we going to transcribe the word? Transcribing, I repeat again and again so you don't forget. Transcribing means it's removing the letters and putting instead of them the sound symbols that stands for these letters. Well, as I say before, any consonant letter, I repeat again, any consonant letter except the letter K, any consonant letter, no, except the letter C, which has special cases, any consonant letters except the letter C, and also except the letter J and W. These 2 letters, which are J and W, are called semi-vowel letters. So, any consonant letters. What are the consonant letters? The consonant letters are B and the other B. We have 2 B. One is voiced and the other is voiceless. D, T, S, Z. We also have R. We also have L. So these are all our consonant letters. We also have M and N. When you see it in the word, In transcription, we want to, the symbol for these letters, the symbol for these consonant letters is the same as the consonant letter itself. Got it? So, what's the symbol for the letter S? It is S. What's the sound symbol for the letter B? It is also B. Let's give you some examples. You have here the letter P. This is the letter B. So, what is the symbol for this letter? The symbol for this letter is also B. The symbol for this letter is also B. What is the symbol for the letter T? This is the letter T. Answer yourself. I'm not answering this time. The symbol for the letter T, what is it? It's also T. Well, the sound symbol for the letter T is also T. This is a good start when you want to transcribe a word, So, what I only do is to make everything simple for you, so it makes things simpler to you. So, we have here in the word sit. I said so. Any consonant letter except J and W and C, the symbol for it is also the same as a consonant letter. So in the word here we have S and T. Well, what is the sound symbol for the letter S? I hear you. S. Good, excellent. It's S. We also have a T. What's the symbol for the letter T? Someone is saying T. Yes, that's correct. Yes, T. Oh, we have solved 2 letters. Now it's remaining 1 letter is I. It's I letter. I letter is a vowel letter. It's a short vowel letter. It gives us a sound E. What is the symbol for the I letter here? It is E. Well, let's explain this word. The word sit. The word sit. We want to make the sound for the letter S. I told you the last time, when you want to make the sound of the first letter in the word, you first have to identify the sound of the second letter. Identify the sound of the letter that comes immediately after the first letter. So, what is the letter that comes after the letter S here in the word? It is I. What is the sound of I here? I hear you. This word is common to you, and you heard it before it's set. So, the I here makes the sound E. So, we want to make the sound of S match the sound of I here. The sound of I here is E. So, the sound of S would be Si or Sa or So. E. Si or E. Sa or E. So. Someone is saying E and C. Yes, that's correct. So the sound of S here is Se. Se. And E. Se. E. S. E. S. E. Here the sound T is T. So it is Se. E. T. Se. E. T. So all together is Se. E. T. Se. E. T. Set. It's set in the final pronunciation of the word. The other pair of the word is the sound A. Now I want you to solve the word. Transcribe the following word. How are you going to transcribe the word? We say we have letter S and T. Someone is saying that we have 2 consonant letters, S and T, and the symbol for it is S and T. And also have in the middle the sound A. so it makes the sound A. Set, se, se, et, set, se, et, set. Well, let's have another word. The word city. The word city. The word city. The letter C here makes the sound S. S. So, write the letter. Remember when I told you any consonant letter takes the sound, take the symbol for the letter. The symbol for any consonant is the same as the consonant letter itself, except the letter C and the letters J and W. Here is the example. The word city. The word city. Although C is a consonant letter, the symbol of it is not C. It is S. So, the words that has the C letter, the symbol for the letter C is either K or S. Is either K or S. In the letter C, in the word city, remember, the letter C, the sound symbol for the letter C is either S or K. When we use the symbol S, when we pronounce the sound of the letter C as S, that's right. When we use the letter K as a symbol for the letter C, when it's pronounced as K, that's right. In the word city, it is pronounced as C, C, not kitty. Kitty, it is pronounced as C, so we use the symbol S. Got it? Now, what's after the letter C? It's I. I makes the sound E, so it is C, C, E, C, E, C. The letter T makes the sound T, C, E, T. The letter Y makes the sound E, not city. No, it is city, 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 T, T. So it's the letter I and Y makes the sound E. See? T, city. So we remove the letter Y and we put the symbol I. Now I want to tell you something. Any words that have Y in the final position of the word, the symbol for the letter Y is I. The symbol for the letter Y is when the letter Y takes the final position in a word. In transcribing this word, we remove the letter Y and use this symbol. Which stands for E. Got it? When the letter Y takes the final position in a word and which is pronounced as E, we use the symbol I. We use the symbol. Unlike some words like cry, although the Y letter takes the final position, but we never use the symbol. We use another symbol which is called diphthongs. So, here, the Y letter here makes the sound E. I hope you understood this lesson. Next lesson I will talk about A and A. Hope you understood this lesson. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.